The new version of the panel tool now includes an extended editor function, which enables users to customize the panel's functionality through custom scripts. The extended editor can be accessed via the upper right corner of the panel. For example, let us say we want a scenario where clicking an image within the canvas will trigger a raining effect. We can implement the function through the extended editor. To achieve this, users must first obtain the key value of the image. This can be done by selecting the image on the canvas, access configuration options, and copy the key value. This value can then be pasted into the extended editor. The method state.runSuperAPI is a predefined function that allows users to call SuperAPI events. The specific SuperAPI event method names can be found in the API manual, available at superapi.51aes.com. Once the key value is pasted into the extended editor, users can fill in the corresponding fields related to heavy rain and preview the effect. Clicking the image within the canvas will now trigger the heavy rain scene. The extended editor also includes a function, state.superapi-listener, that can be used to listen for events. Note that each page within the panel requires a separate instance of the extended editor. The overall effect of the panel, blueprint, and extended editor can be previewed prior to final implementation. That is all for this video. Please check other videos to learn more.